This time I will not be able to fix and repair, so I'm going to unbox and see what's in each box. And the first we have, it's a red Bulgy. Looks okay, looks clean. And Bertie the bus. Seller's description, none of these work. I wasn't supposed to test these models because I have a lot, but I'm gonna try with the 3 bolts and see what happens. Look at that, it's fixed. It just needed a jump. That's great. Have you even noticed that Bulgy and Bertie have the same chassis, same motor? That's excellent. Now we can try the other one. Oh yeah, it goes. There it goes. Looks like this one is a little faster. I mean, it looks good. It is working. Fix it in just few seconds.